इन्ना गुड़ी च बंद जो इन्ना बहुत या तो ज़्यादा ही होना घट पाई. Hello, good morning, children. How are you? I am going to teach you your chapter once again for a revision lecture. Earlier it was taught detailed, right? Because for the next test you have this chapter in your syllabus. So that's why I am going to tell you about your this chapter. So in this chapter I am going to teach you about your rights. Right? In our second book you have studied about your fundamental rights, and here we are talking about simply political right that come under the category of the politics. That comes under the category of politics. That rights I am going to teach you now. As we know that everyday life incidents, we have different type of rights. As a member of democratic country, we may speak of such rights: right to vote, right to form political parties, right to elections. But generally, apart from these things, being the citizen of the democratic country, we can also different type of right demands, like we must have right to information, we must have right to clean air, safe drinking water, hygienic conditions, health, and different rights are there for their social, economic, and politically, social and personal relationship. Most of the rights may be claimed not only for adult human beings but for the children, unborn children, even for animals. In this way, so there are different notions of the rights, and this is evoked in a variety of ways in which people usually speak, and we also speak. And you may mention today's struggle, that is farmer struggle, that they are also um, doing these strikes, these hartals, these movement for their rights only, mean to say whatsoever is not exactly done according to the wills of the people, according to the wishes, according to the expectations of the people by the government. And in being in a democratic country, citizens have right to ask for your justice. So in this chapter I'll teach you what do mean by why we speak of right, that I earlier told you. And here very important question can be framed, that what do we mean when we speak of right? Mean to say we want different type of freedoms, like we have freedom, right to vote, our claim for the rights I have mentioned here, right to form political parties, contest election, information, right to privacy. And some rights may be claimed not only for adult human beings but for children, unborn, and even for the animals. So that's why I told in the beginning, being the member of a democratic countries, and we can claim our rights. And for claiming of the rights, notion may be different people have different type of notions to claim about the right. Now we are getting very clear cut answer for this, that we can, being a democratic countries, on what is the basis on which rights are the claimed, rights can be claimed, and what purpose do rights serve, and how they are so important for us. So I'm going to give you some detailed lecture on this, that what are the rights. Rights are very essentially justified claim, and being the citizen, as individual, as human beings, as a child, as a woman, something very important that is to be considered, being the rest of the society, that whole society must recognize being as a legitimate claim that must be upheld. It doesn't mean that everything that I regard may be necessary and desirable is right. Mean to say ये नहीं है कि बिल्कुल सही हो सकता है, कुछ उसमें गलत भी हो सकता है. I may not want to wear the clothes of my choice to school rather than prescribed uniform. That is not your right, that is your duty. Taking the definition of the right, you have to make it very clear that what is right. So you may want to stay out late at night, but does not mean that I have a right to dress in any way I like in the school, return home, and I choose to that. But there are some rules and regulation, and there is, I would like to say, that framework. There is distinction between what I want and what I think I am entitled to do, and what can be designated as rights. Very, very important. And rights are those claims, along with others' regards, to be necessary for others that time. And another that, for example, rights to livelihood may be considered necessary for leading the life of dignity, but being gainfully employed gives a person economic independence. Thus it is central for her dignity. Having our basic needs met gives us freedom to pursue our talent and interest, or take the right to express ourselves freely. This right gives us the opportunity to be creative. अगर हम फ्रीली अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कर पा रहे हैं तो हमें ये राइट है कि express ourselves freely. This right gives us the opportunity to be creative and original, whether it is in the writing, dance, music, or any other creative activity. But the freedom of expression is more important for democratic government, since it allows the free expressions of beliefs and opinions, and it is very important for all the human beings who live in the society. They are described as universal in nature. And to for its more description, for I would like to give you one example. Like in medical research has shown that prohibited drugs are injurious to one's health, and since they affect our relation with others, we cannot insist that we have right to inhale or inject drugs or smoke tobacco. In case of smoking, it may even injurious to health of the other people who are around you. Na? Drugs may not injure only others also. So that behavior pattern make us danger to the other people. In terms of definition of right, smoking or taking banned drugs cannot be claimed as right. Hopefully you have understood, and you have understood what are these rights. So in this way I have tried to tell the detailed meaning of the rights, and now we have to take other things in this chapter. We are going to study what are the rights. From where do these rights come? Second point is, from where do these rights come? इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट के राइट्स हमें नेचर से आते हैं, मम्मी पापा देते हैं, सोसाइटी देते हैं, तो इसके लिए आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू अबाउट प्रीवियस सेंचुरीज, like 17th century, 18th century political theorists and this पॉलिटिक्स जो हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स हैं, दे सम राइट्स आर गिवन. कुछ कह रहे हैं कि गॉड इट इज़ द गिफ्ट ऑफ द नेचर, राइट्स मैन वर derived from natural law. This means that rights were not confirmed by ruler or a society, rather than we are born with them. So these rights are, we can say, integral part of our society. No one can take these rights away from us. They identified these three natural rights of man: the right of life, right of liberty, and property. They also said that these rights are basic, and idea behind these rights is that very powerful notion, because it implies that no state, no organization should take away the rights from the law of nature. So in this conception, that this is very widely accepted also, governments and states are to the safeguards of the rights of the citizens. In recent years, human rights being used that term natural rights, and this is because the rights of human beings, natural law or set of norms. It is the set of norms and laid down us by the nature or God appears unacceptable today. Rights are increasingly seen as grantees of the human beings, and from there the human being gets benefit, and what's are needed minimum to lead good life. बट देयर इज़ वन अजम्पशन ऑल्सो बिहाइंड दैट कि जो कुछ भी हमें चाहिए उसके पीछे ये एक अजम्पशन भी है कि ह्यूमन राइट्स दैट इज़ ऑल पर्सनस आर इंटाइटल्ड फॉर द सर्टन थिंग्स बिकॉज दे आर ह्यूमन बींग्स. But as a human being, each person is unique and equally valuable. This means that all persons are equal and no one is born to serve others. ना ये नहीं है कि मम्मा है पापा है तो रिलीजन जेंडर रेस all these are the different bases to explain these rights. So today UN United Nation Organization Universal Declaration of Human Rights builds up understanding of the rights and tries to claim those rights to the world community collectively, and sees that whatsoever being important for a leading good and dignity life and self-respect, all these are the rights. In this way notion of these rights has been set by this UNO Human Rights Commission, dignity, personal liberty, right? Even within the family, sometime I told you that there are stereotype images कि गर्ल्स ये नहीं करती बॉयज़ ये करते हैं, गर्ल्स कैन नॉट बी गुड नर्सेज. तो इस टाइप के बहुत सारे हैं. तो डिफरेंट टाइप की टीवी रिपोर्ट्स भी उसमें आती रहती हैं. आप लोग भी इसके बारे में प्रोग्राम देखते हैं. तो लाइक वी कैन से claims express a sense of moral outrage about the infringement of the people's dignity, and they also act a rallying call to the people and try to extend rights to all human beings. We should not underestimate anyone's dignity and powers. This is not, no one has this right against anyone. We should not understand the extent and power of such claims. They often invoke the wide support. You may have heard about the pop star Bob Gold's recent appeal to Western governments. This example is mentioned in your book also. I'm taking this example from your book, page number 71. Western governments to end poverty in Africa, and TV and seen TV reports about the scale and support which he received from ordinary people. Nowadays, also, you may see that farmers' rights are there and they are seeking support on Facebook and other social medias. You may have seen that how many people are favoring them. More than 78% people are favoring and rest are against. So this is like democratic rights. So in this way, here is one example from your book. One more is that father had applied for a telephone connection. It has been 2 months over, and he still hasn't got it. What can he do? You know what can he do? Yes, if you may be present and you may be able to give this answer, that he may go to court and this and that. But in your 10th you have studied about your consumer courts, and there they can approach for this under right to information, right? RTI. So his daughter tells us that he has right to information. There they can find out the status of their application as well as the cause for the delay. So that is also your rights. In this way, there is a very important theory. Immanuel Kant has given this human dignity. Okay, they mean to say rights theory, but that theory I'll tell you in my next video. It's all for today. Until now, I have told you first 2 points. First 2 points, what is rights, what are rights, and where do rights come from. तो नेचुरल भी होते हैं, हमें सोसाइटी से मिलते हैं, गवर्नमेंट से मिलते हैं, And in my next video, I'll tell you about these 4 points: Kant on human dignity, legal rights, and the state kinds of rights and responsibility. Thank you, students. Bye. Take care, stay home, stay safe, and read it carefully.